I still remember the first bite of that coconut chocolate cake. Christmas was loud, but this moment wasn't. The room was full, music everywhere. People were laughing. Someone pulled me into a dance. I stepped away, just for a moment. A cake was on a small table, waiting. One bite, soft, quiet. A noise faded. The night slowed down. I didn't say anything. I didn't need to. Some cakes become part of a moment. Some moments stay with you. If this one felt familiar, you're in the right place. Sweet backstories, where baking meets memory. Subscribe for more quiet cake stories.